What's up, Trey Nuggets? How you doing? Today I am here and I'm going to be unboxing keycaps for my new keyboard. So let's see what they look like. Alright everybody, we got it out of the little package and now let's unbox it. Dang. Look at the colors. We got neon orange and neon baby blue. That's a lot of stuff. Alright, so now we need to put all these keycaps on my new Ducky 1-2 Mini that I got, so let's do that. Alright, now we're going to be pulling off the keycaps, so let's put this alt on. And by the way, these are brown switches, if you're wondering. This is what the keycaps look like. Just going to set that on there fast. Nice blue color. Okay. Which one should we do now? How about we do this window key right here? Okay, let's put it in. Go on. There we go. Which one should we put on now? Let's do G. Come on, baby. There we go. Alright, I'll see you guys right when we get all of these done. And if you guys are wondering how to take off a keycap, you just take your puller, put it in, and then just pull out. Like, this is hard to do one-handed. Well, anyways, you just pull out, drop that one, put it away, and you get your new one. So let's find B. Where's B? It's right here. You go over to here, you put it right on your switch, push it down until you feel the click, and then you're done. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is what my new keyboard looks like now. Here's a sound test. Peace out, everybody.